Hi everyone. From this lesson, we are going to presentation about the elements of prose fiction from the Golden Touch story. As we know, there are 6 elements of prose fiction. That is theme, plot, characters, setting, point of view, and the last one is conflict. So in our group presentation, the first one will presentation by me, Suleman Malo. Second one is Salvatore Syukur. The next one is Kebidoko. Next by Ravensky Banunaik. Next one is Petronella Teva. One else is Prisianus Narding. And the last one by Samuel Alokamati. Okay, I would like to present the theme of the Golden Touch is don't be greedy and enjoy what we have in our life. I chose this theme because in the Match King, Midas was greedy and want more gold, but didn't appreciate his daughter Marigold or anything he already had. As we know, Michael is the story of King Midas, but it is not actually about King Midas. It's about greed. King Midas is just a tool used to teach us about the dangers of being greedy, and fancy people call this kind of story a parable, a short story with an ambiguous moral or life lesson.
I'm Salvatore Syukur, and in this video I'm going to talk about what plot is and the plot of the Golden Touch. Actually, plot is storyline that explain what happened in the story. It's usually a chain linking because cause and effect. Plot is the first and most obvious quality of a story. Well, the plot of the Golden Touch. King Midas is a proud and foolish king who loves gold above all else. In return for helping him one day, a satyr grants the king his dearest wish, all that he touches will turn to gold. For a time, the king enjoys his gift, but then the food he puts on his mouth turns to gold, so he cannot eat, and the horse he mounts turns to gold and he cannot ride, and everyone he touches turns to gold, so no longer has any family or friends. He has all the gold he could ever want, but he's not happy at all. How King Midas learned his lesson and find happiness is the heart of this classic Greek myth, brought to new life by award-winning artist Demi's own Golden Touch, sparkling with the colors of the Aegean Sea and with the splendor of gold. This elegant and humorous retelling of an ancient myth will be cherished by readers of all age. Thank you.
The characters in the story are King Midas and his daughter, and a style half man, half god. The characters of King Midas is greedy forward, prioritizing gold, and never has enough. And the characters of a style half man, half god is wise man and love to repay.
My name is Ravensky Banunaik from Group 6, and today I want to explain about the elements of literary work, especially the setting. The setting is the combination of place and the historical time of the literary work. For example, we can find the setting place of this novel in the apartment or the king's kingdom, and I think the setting place of the story of this novel in a kingdom. For the setting time, the story of this novel has a setting time that is not understood by me, because I have not found the setting time of the story. I think the story only explains the time in an ancient time or a past time.
the story The Golden Touch is written from the third person's point of view. We can clearly see it from the way the author pictures everything that is going on inside the story, and also the way he mentioned or he called the main character as he, or mentioning the main character's name. It means that this story is told or written by the third person's point of view. For example, we can see in the story, the author wrote that this King Midas was fonder of gold more than anything else in the world. The King Midas is the main character of the story, and his story is told or written by the third person, which is the writer or the author himself.
Internal conflict are psychological conflict problems arise as a result of an internal conflict between man and himself. The internal conflict of the story is King Midas, who wants to be rich, so he touches anything to be golden with his ability.
External conflict. What is external conflict? External conflict is defined in contrast to internal conflict, in which the struggle is between a character and themselves. For example, between selfish and selfless impulses. Three types of external conflict. Character versus character. In this type of conflict, the protagonist or main character face off with an antagonist who must be defeated. So an example of this type of conflict in The Golden Touch is "I promise nothing, you stupid little cause," said Eustace, half witty, "but I think you should have it. This is consequence of gaining reputations. I wish I was much duller than I am, or that I never saw half the bright qualities that nature gave me, and then I can take a nap peaceful and comfortably." This is an example of external character versus character conflict from The Golden Touch story. The second is character versus nature. Here, the character's enemy is not another person, but instead the nature world. Often, the protagonist is stranded in the wilderness, threatened by a storm or blizzard, or struck by a terrible disease, and must fight for their life. The type of external conflict in this story is the King Midas. Through The Golden Touch would make him more satisfied with his life. Instead, Touch of God causes trouble by turning the thing he loves most into lifeless gold. This is an example of external conflict between character versus nature. And the last, character versus society. In this story, the protagonist questions and perhaps rebels against the social norms of their community or of society at large. Most works of literature that focus on the character versus society conflicts are intended to encourage readers to examine how their own society functions in unjust ways. So, the kind of conflicts that exist in The Golden Touch story is, but children have no compassion or consideration for anyone's exhaustions, and if you only have one breath left, they will ask you to spend in telling them a story. This is an example of external character versus society conflict from The Golden Touch story.